I learned few updates. I want just to share it with you guys. And also, if you have any updates, questions, please feel free to share. We have this week +1 GDE from Tashkent in Angular. We have also a new chapter in Tajikistan, in a city in Tajikistan. What is important, that most important thing, I think, I'm just sharing. I think I'm not supposed to share it, but still, this is when organizers submit request for speakers, is reflected in this form. And on March 8th, next week, Google will start push speakers to reply, to fly to your events. So far, we have only Ulaanbaatar and Bishkek submitted this form. Basically, if you want speakers to fly, Google will pay the airplane. Please submit request for speakers before March 8th. Then you will have good chances receiving the speakers. We have already from Emirati, from Manama, it's in Emirates area, machine learning expert Boalai flying to Bishkek, and then he will attend near Bishkek, Naryn. He will go there in late April for build with AI event. Then we talk to 2 Indian experts on Google Cloud experts. They will go to Ural, and then they will go to Astana, to 2 cities. So we already, our strategy for Central Asia, like we did last season, to be first to request speakers, and once we have agreement to speakers, they come to our countries. Doesn't matter is their budget or no, because they're first, and they apply for travel support and they get approved travel support. So it's very easy. Because last year we had, for example, for events in December, we had some problems with speakers' travel support in Bishkek. It was too expensive, etc., because it was a little bit short notice. If we do it in advance, it's always we have speakers secured. Also, we have one top Kaggle contributor, machine learning expert. He will be speaking online for some student clubs. A lot of speakers available if you book it, like starting to book it next week. But after already 1 month, it will be impossible. What else? Regarding this, some big conferences, there was rumors that Google will get some, just 2 tickets for IO Extended in California, but it was canceled. So they said we won't pay for California trip. So I even didn't announce because it was and it was canceled. So we have from time to time some opportunities. As you know, I keep you updated and send you the data. Next, on the anti-SIG last major update. About build with AI. So what I found out here in these resources, we have technical content basically. And there it seems to be a competition between 2 teams. First team is in charge of this cloud skill boost. It's called Google Cloud Marketing Team. Because when you click here, you get to this lab. This is Cloud Skill Boost Lab video courses, and it has labs, but it's on some virtual server, and it's only temporary. When you work on it, they provide you credentials for 1 hour. When you finish, it destroys. But it's have a lot of theory. Another team in charge of this workshops. For instance, this getting started with Gemini on. I cannot see it, right? Okay. Let me just. Yeah, here. There's this type, second team in charge of code lab. It's different mechanics. They give you real Google Cloud, and they give you like several credits, like 20 instances on Google Cloud. You can do anything. You can launch AI, and it's actually, if you click for link here, it will bring you to real Google Cloud. It will be opened in for your email, and you can. It's forever. It doesn't get like destroyed. And actually, I asked other DevRels, if organizers do events, what better to use, this Cloud Skill Boost or this labs? Nobody can kind of give firm answer, but people think that this one is kind of better, the real lab. But what I don't like with this real code labs, that it's actually, I clicked this week on this Gemini API, the most basic with Python, and this seems just kind of like promotion. It's just showing API. In this lab, what I can do, I can only write some press send query. I can change this, what is meaning of life. I can change it to any question. I asked what's the city called, for example, where is city is Farah, and he answered to me. This Gemini answered, it's in Tajikistan. So it's kind of, I can do anything, but prompting using API calls. And whole lab is basically a kind of promotion of this API call. I wanted to go deeper. I wanted to look what is this model, and it's closed. It's not showing kind of. So that's what I kind of didn't like. It's quite high level. So that's why maybe you have some, I don't know, some opinion about this build with AI campaign so far. To me, I think it's still the same events we do as usually. We have support budget, we have speakers, and we have this kind of Gemini API technical content, but still we can do any other events because this is kind of not deep, maybe not deep enough. Although it's marketed as AI, yeah, that's how it looks to me. And so the most important I want to tell about speakers. If you submit speaker request form, more likely you'll get it. And last year we were very successful. We get speakers almost to every country. I think except Ashgabat, all other cities, big cities, they got the speakers flying. And also Dushanbe and Khujand, I think maybe late. I think even Khujand didn't even request. I don't remember actually. Yeah. So this is very important. So thank you for attention. Do you have something to share or some important updates? Please feel free to unmute yourself. Or maybe you want to say something just.
Hey, Oscar. This is Donior from GDG Khujand. Yeah, thanks for this information. We've scheduled our event, Build with AI, on April 20th, the Saturday. So we've just prepared our, application, and we will be sending the speaker's request soon. So just for your information. And we're excited.
Mm-hmm. Thank you for information, bro. Please don't forget to put this tag in social media, Build with AI.
Yep.
Because sometimes they find it and they promote it. Last year we had, let me find it, Google developers. They actually highlighted one of the posts from DevFest Almaty. Where is it? Actually, I cannot find it. I sent it to our GGG team. I'll just need 30 seconds to show it. Where is it? Because if we use this text, then HQ, this marketing team in Google, they find it and they can promote it. We had a video with Dara. They found it last year and they promote it on the Google developers channel in LinkedIn, and it has like, I don't know, crazy number. Here I found this post. Crazy number of viewers. So this is official Google developers group, global, with 400K followers. There was Dara's some reels or whatever, and they found it because she used text. It was DevFest 2023 tech, and this year tech is built with AI. So and everybody, all kind of world, they saw about this Almaty. What is Almaty? Because many people even don't know what is Almaty city, etc. So it's a good chance, increased chance to promote. Thank you. Any other updates, guys, or we could finish if you are busy. Okay, thank you guys for your joining. If you have some one-to-one question, I will stop recording. We can just discuss afterwards. For example, maybe Isada.